In the data editor, you can play around with the basic column types and quickly see how it changes the formatting of your data. You just need to open the column, hit edit, and pick from the options in the type dropdown. The values update right there to help you preview the results, and when you're ready, just hit save, and this will update how the data shows in the data editor. And it can also show or change how it shows up in your app. For example, sometimes you want a unit type before or after your numbers. Sometimes you want your dates to have a certain format, or even have the time zones respected for your users. Now, image columns are really useful because they let you see your images inside of the data editor, but they also let you upload new images right inside the data editor as well. But sometimes you need to actually get the underlying URL for your image, in other words, where that image is hosted. And to do that, you can switch it to a text column and copy the URL and then switch it back if needed. Even if the type you choose doesn't necessarily change how it shows up in your app, using column types in your data editor is just a very good practice to help your data be more readable to you and the other people working on your app.